In today's video, we are going to be exploring what a home here in the Bitterroot looks like and what you can expect from a home that's just over $1 million. Because people from out of state especially just think that coming to Montana you can just buy dirt cheap, and that's not the case anymore. And locals are really feeling it as well, getting kind of frustrated with how much property prices are going up. And this will just give you an idea of what a $1.1 million house here in the Bitterroot would look like and feel like, and the vibe that you can expect. So let's get after it right now. My name is Diana Filkins. I am a realtor here in Missoula, Montana, and the Bitterroot Valley here in western Montana. And like I said, we're going to explore a home listed at 1.1 million, and I'm going to show you where it is. So it is in Victor, Montana. So I would say 30 to 40 minutes south of Missoula. And it is not right off of Highway 93, which is where I am right now. It's not right off of 93. It's about 8 minutes off of the highway. So not too bad to just hop on the highway and either go north to Missoula or south down into Hamilton. So I'm going to show you what the drive looks like to get to the home. Of course, what the home looks like inside and outside, and the grounds. So I am very active on social media, clearly, and I'm in quite a few Facebook groups, and ones that are associated with horse properties. And I do want to point out, and I'll show you in the video more of like what I'm talking about. But this property in particular is really nice for somebody who has like hobby horses, or horses they don't take it too seriously, like they don't train them or anything. They're just for entertainment, or just to like ride around, or just to have, or whatever. They're not like working horses. So there is a 2-stall and a tack room, like barn thing. There's also like a carport where you can just store wood or toys or literally whatever. So let's hop in on a different day, but I'm going to take you in my car. I'm going to show you how to get to the house, what the road is like, because that's also something that comes up super unexpectedly when people come to Montana, especially from out of state. They see these beautiful homes, but they don't realize that sometimes the road to get to these beautiful homes is challenging. That's not really the case with this particular home, but if you are looking at a home that's got like stunning views from up above, like looking down on the mountains, I will bet you that road to get to that beautiful house is rough sauce, like rough sauce. And what I mean by that is a 1-lane dirt road, windy, around a mountain, and if you happen to fall off the road, or God forbid there's ice or snow, you are taking like a deep dive. That's not the case for this home, but it is the case for a lot of the multi-million-dollar homes around here, especially if they have like a more of a higher view, looking like down on the mountains. That's what you can expect. Not the case for this home, so I'll show you what I'm talking about. Most of the road to get to this home is like asphalt, like regular road, and then it does turn into a dirt road at a certain point. But something else to keep in mind is for this particular home, and often, especially like we're talking out of Missoula, So definitely like in the Bitterroot. And when I say Bitterroot, I mean Ravalli County is what I'm talking about. And you find that you are driving on asphalt and then suddenly like, oh, dirt road. So like I live off of a dirt road. I can't keep my car clean to save my life. Like there's just no point to keeping my car clean. So my bill is a little higher to attempt to clean my car, or the maintenance of my car tends to be higher because I've got rocks like coming up and hitting all the underside of my car, and I don't know jack shit about cars, but I know I've had to pay for it, so it's not fun. And then like who maintains that road? Like you gotta like cross all your fingers and toes and hope that like a friendly neighbor with their tractor or their what's it called, with like a bucket on the front of their tractor can come and clean and maintain the road. Because even like in the spring and the summertime you get like that washboard, it's like good times. So that does tend to be the case for this house. Like, so it's asphalt and then dirt road. And they do have friendly neighbors that help maintain the road, but everybody pitches in. So somebody maintains the road and like everybody else kind of pitches in some money, or brings in the dirt, and then somebody else like levels it out, or maybe somebody else puts down salt or dirt when it's icy or snowy, or maybe somebody else plows. Like it's all like a friendly neighbor, and that's what the kind of attitude that one needs to bring when they purchase a home like this. Like you're not gonna just sit back and relax. If you're not able to do the work for XYZ reasons, totally fine, but you need to pay up, because it's not fair that your neighbors are spending their time, energy, and money on gas to maintain a road that you most likely will use every single day. So just things to keep in mind. Okay, enough of me blabbing. Let's go take a look at the road, the neighborhood. There's like a little special surprise that I'll show you on the way to this house. It's really special. We'll look at the grounds of the home, we'll look inside the home, and then I want to know what you think. So leave some comments down below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you and of course, if you are looking to buy or even sell here in Western Montana, I would love to help you. All my contact information is down in the description box below. Call, text, email, and yeah, let's see what you think about this home. Welcome to your Victor retreat. This charming 3-level log home sits on 10 usable acres with stunning views, mature trees, and abundant wildlife. Built in 1993, it features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a bonus room, mudroom, and a spacious laundry area. The exterior logs and decks have been recently refinished, enhancing the home's natural charm. Updates include a new metal roof, high producing well, and underground sprinklers. Inside, enjoy a cozy pellet stove and central vacuum system. The kitchen and living rooms areas offer warmth, classic log home style. Outside, you'll find a large shop, 2-horse stable with tack room, indoor-outdoor dog kennel, a fenced garden, and fruit trees. Plus, you're just minutes away from nearby hiking trails, offering easy access to Montana's great outdoors. With flexibility, privacy, character, this is Montana living at its finest. Home is heated with fuel oil, wall and baseboard heaters, and a pellet stove. The garage is heated with propane, 2 100-pound tanks are owned, and electric heaters for the reloading room in the garage. The whole exterior of the home has been sanded, stained, and resealed. New wood on the dormers as well.